All right, so for this discussion, I looked for research-based articles that had to do with teaching money to younger grades, such as second grade and specifically. Um, Honestly, it was very hard to find articles that were not about teaching your kids to be financially stable and to start investing young and just like how to take care of their money, which I think is important as educators to help with that. Like tell kids, it is important to like budget and, take care of your money. But that was not really the goal that I was going for with these articles. So it was quite the difficult process to find some good articles that were research based. And so, honestly, I was only able to find three. And so I used those three. The first one was Let's Learn About Money, Teaching Young Children About Money. And it really focused on the importance of engagement. Students truly need to be engaged in the activities, and you need hands-on activities in the lesson. You need a chance for them to be able to hold coins, be able to even do like mock buying in the classroom, and create opportunities. Maybe take them outside and go to a store or go to a bank, go to somewhere where they can see where money is used and what it is used for. That it's not just a concept that they were learning about in the school and in the classroom, that it goes above and beyond that, and that money is a real thing. How to teach counting money in first and second grade. This was my favorite website out of the three. This was the most practical. This was the most like kid friendly in a sense. It just really talked about the importance of games. It talked about, doing a coin grab, kind of like what the coin scoop was in my lesson. It talked about, even coin wars, like doing war, but with game, like doing the war game like you can with cards, but with coins. And, you pull a coin out of the bag and it's like, okay, this is my coin. And so, okay, whose was worth more? And it said like students are able to learn so much more when they have a game. They're more engaged. Visuals, it focused on how important visuals were. It talked about, a student needs to physically be able to see what a quarter looks like, what a dime looks like, what a nickel, what a penny, and hold that. And that kind of goes back with what I talked about in the last one too, is like students are not going to be able to learn if they are not able to hold it, if they don't see it up on the board, if they don't see the size difference between the four coins. And so I thought that was great. I figured that's what research would show. But this is also where I got the skip counting from. It said the importance that skip counting at the beginning can help make such a big difference. And it said because students are able to go back and revisit a mastered skill they'd already mastered, or a skill they'd already mastered, and correlate it to this, because they might not correlate that, oh, we're skipping by fives, if you don't go back and practice that at the beginning of the lesson. And it just talks about introducing the quarters or the coins at a different time. Like, okay, maybe talk about the quarter first, talk about the penny, and not just go, there's 4 types of coins, these are the coins, and stuff like that. Really just introduce one at a time. Time value of money online module for students and teachers. I was honestly not really a fan of this website. I thought it was confusing, and it wasn't the greatest, but it was research based, and so like I said, I had a hard time finding good material. But it was talking about how making sure you define the difference. You allow students to see the difference in the coins. Talk about the way they look different. And so that was a big part of this website, just making sure that you define and make sure you let the students know the difference between the coins, so they are able to get a hold of the differences and realize there are more differences between the coins than one might think. And there's my references from the thank you for watching.